Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, I recently posted a Q&A story on my Instagram and I'm here to answer all of them. So, let's get started.
How can we make our vanity?
So, while setting up your vanity, make sure to include both good high-end products as well as affordable makeup products. Also, make sure to include all the bridal essentials like body tape, numbing cream, safety pins, etc.
How much should a beginner invest in makeup?
So, see, you should invest according to your budget. If your budget allows, you should definitely go for good quality high-end products. However, if not, then there are good affordable range of makeup which has good quality, so you can invest in that in the beginning.
Which blush is better, powder or liquid?
So, in terms of blush, both are good. But if you want your makeup, if you want your blush to be long lasting, I would personally prefer to use a liquid blush first and then top it off with a powder blush.
Why do my makeup turns green sometimes?
So, there can be more than one reason for this. First is either your foundation or the concealer that you're using is too light, or that you have not color corrected with the right shade or with the right undertone. And this also happens when there is a huge gap between applying and setting your makeup.
How can we hide crease lines or laugh lines?
So the first way to avoid crease lines is to use less of creamy products on the creases and on the lines. And secondly, once the makeup has been done, take a Q-tip and remove the excess product from the lines and then blend with a clean blender.
How did you get your start?
So, I was studying software engineering and now I'm here as a makeup artist. And this journey has been a roller coaster ride for me. So, I've been thinking to make a separate video on this topic. So, stay tuned for that.
How much you have invested in makeup or in this profession?
So, investment never stops. The more you invest, the more you grow. So far now, I have invested in international makeup products, good lighting setup, camera, shoots, courses, and so many more things. And after investing in these stuff and working hard for 3 years, my biggest investment has been my own studio.
How many looks you provide in your pro makeup course?
So it's a 10 days professional course excluding the portfolio day, and we'll be teaching you 5 different looks with every alternate day hands-on practice with me. So if you want to know more about our upcoming pro makeup course of this month, you can contact us.
Foundation for oily and sensitive skin.
So in terms of foundation, Huda Beauty Full Coverage Foundation and NARS Radiant Foundations are my absolute favorite.
Ma'am, when will you take online classes?
So for the online classes, we have a surprise coming for you very soon. So stay tuned.
Best highlighter.
So my favorite highlighters and go-to highlighter is Forever 52 Sun-Kissed Illuminator and Kat Von D Gamma Ray.
Your first order client convention कैसे किया था? Please tell me.
Okay, so first client मिलना थोड़ा सा tough हो सकता है, I know, because it's your initial days. But don't lose hope. Just keep working on yourself, keep on improving your skills, and keep on posting. So the more you post, the more you showcase your skills, you can attract the right client. So that is it for today's Q&A session. If you have any more doubts, any more questions, or if you want to know more about me, you can DM me on my Instagram handle and I would love to talk to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye. See you in the next one.